The consultancy experience that Adam Smith offers is one of the best experiences that we can have in such a short stint of time.
I had the flexibility to kind of work on it in my own way, which was empowering, but it was also challenging because this pushed me to think creatively and find alternative solutions in different problems that occurred.
So far, the experience has been tremendous. Each of the students that I have worked with is very professional and actually are willing to deliver value. It has been really, really insightful. It has really encouraged us to get into conversations that we would never have thought of getting into.
It boosted my confidence, I would say, to showcase my skills and the skills I gained from it in technical and behavioral interviews.
The project delivered was really very impressive. It actually unlocked the areas that we would not have paid attention to. We have started getting into conversations about topics we never would have thought of worth discussing.
You translate theory into practice, and you can see how things from textbooks and the presentation materials actually work, and it's fascinating, but it's also very important for people who want to chase a career in the industry.
Resilience, adaptability, and judgment is not something that is taught to you through lectures or your curriculum books. You have to have experience to actually, navigate the uncertain situations. You really have to have experience to manage your stakeholder relationship and work under pressure.
Facing business challenges is crucial, and it's very helpful for someone in order to help them think more independently, ask the right questions, and find practical solutions.
I would like to highly recommend the consultancy experience at Adam Smith because it basically gives you an external perspective which is free from internal bias.
Now that I secured a highly rewarding position recently, I can say that all this experience played a huge part into making this possible for me.